Good day, awesome moms! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here, I share the incredible journey of raising our daughter who has a medical condition. She was diagnosed with mild ASD. I created this channel to share with you the gradual recovery of our child. She undergoes therapy twice a week. Her therapy is speech therapy, and we are waiting for an available schedule for her occupational therapy. Every challenge we face is an opportunity for growth, and every smile is a testament to our strength and resilience. Join us as we navigate this path with hope, determination, and endless love. Together, we'll find inspiration in the everyday moments and celebrate the unique beauty of our story.
Magre-review kami ngayon ni Gia ng Math about Quadratic Equations. So, disclaimer lang po, hindi po ako math major or yung talagang matalino sa math or magaling sa math. Ito ay ayon lang po sa sa sarili naming technique para mas lalong maintindihan ni Gia. So, ang quadratic equations, yung equations natin is ax raised to 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, meron tayong given dito. So, anong gagawin mo dyan, Gia? Okay? Kasi merong pattern, di ba? Meron tayong equation na susundin. Okay. So, transfer nyo si 4. So, kailangan kapag nag-transfer po tayo, yung sign, mababago din yung sign, di ba? And then, what's next? Okay, si A. Ilan si A? Okay, very good. And then si B. Ilan si B? Okay. And then si C is equal to negative 4. Good job. Next, can you answer number 2? Given number 2. Oh, tingnan mo, dapat 'di ba? Dapat equals to 0 siya. Ang tawag po pala namin sa sa equals kapag nagta-transfer po siya ng ng term. Ewan ko anong tawag dito. Basta yung number, ang tawag namin sa equals ay bridge. Yun ang namin. Okay? Okay. Naghihingalo na ang aming pentel pen. Okay, next. Ano nang gagawin? Susunod gagawin. Naglagay na siya ng arrow. Tatawid na si 1/3 x sa bridge. Okay. Very good. Next. Ang susunod dyan.
I can feel anxious and I'm too.
Don't worry.
I feel anxious.
Don't be. Okay, and then okay, yan, nagawa mo ng yung sorry, hindi kasi ako talaga yung sa math math major or talagang mathematician. So, tinatry ko lang yung best ko para lang maturuan si Gia. Okay. A is equal to 7. Naging minus siya kasi yung sign ni 1/3 dito ay positive. Once na nag-transfer siya, yung sign ay mag-change din. Okay, so B. Meron bang B? Bali, bibili na lang tayo ng bago.
No.
Are you sure walang B?
Here, right here.
Okay, bakit B yan? Kasi, laging kasama ni B ay X. May X. Don't put the variable. And then C, 0. Bakit 0 si C? Because
There's no solo number here.
okay, there's no solo number. Solo number kasi di ba ito po siya ay yung quadratic term and then linear term, and this one is is this constant term, right? Okay, kapag constant term po kasi is single lang siya, alone, walang kasamang variable. Variable po ba tawag dyan? Okay. Good job.
Thank you, thank you, mommy.
Thank you for your time in watching this vlog, and if you like it, don't forget to click like, share, and also subscribe for more updates on videos. Have a great day and Jesus loves you.